Hi everyone, and welcome back to Draw for Fun. Today we're going to do a nice little character. I know a lot of you guys like the Teen Titans, so my daughter had asked me if I could do a picture of Raven for her. So I figured, oh, that would be a good little cartoon to do on the channel. So we're going to make a Raven today. Okay, so get your paper and pencil and markers or whatever you're using. I got my paper in front of me. We're going to start with doing just Raven's hood first, and then we can put her face and everything in later on. Okay, so let's start. I'm going to come up here, come down just a little bit. I'm going to make a point, just like that. Okay, it's going to be the edge of her hood. We're going to come down, go up, make another point, right about there. Okay. Now start from that point, come up, go over that line right there. Okay, and we'll just come down a little bit and make the point there. Well, that's the top of her hood. Now her face goes in here, but first we're going to do the rest of her body. So we're going to come down and make right about where her neck is. Alright, we're going to do two lines like that to give us reference points. Let me just start her coat. Come down, or her cape. Come over. Same on this side, only we're going to make it a little bit bigger sweep. We're going to come down. Kind of angle it down like that. Then that point will pick up. And come over again to here. Okay. Now, she has a little necklace right here. I don't know if it's a necklace, but we're going to draw a V right there. Then there's another of the same type of shape right there. Now up there we're going to draw a couple of lines to insinuate her cape wrinkles. And one right over here is going to go down and separate the cape. So it looks like she's got it covered over here. Okay. Now going back up to her head, going to make a point at the top and another one. This is just drawing a V here, but you'll see what I mean by points, because now we're just going to bring it down and over, and then we're going to come down pretty close to the bottom, not too close, over to here. Start here with another line and then come all the way over to this point here. Now her face and eyes and everything go inside here. And don't worry about if that's not even, because it just looks like her cape is covering her face then. Okay, now inside this, you're going to draw a line straight across. Okay. Go over to the other side, do another one. Same thing. It's not really straight across, I kind of slant them a little. But you can have them straight across, it just will make her expression a little bit different, that's all. From there you're going to come down pretty big. Alright? Do the same thing over here. Then we're going to give her eyes. Make a circle. And another circle. Now inside that we're doing her pupil. So do another one. Just like that. And we can color those in just a little bit, but leave a little white spot for a highlight. Okay. Good. Now right here we're going to make a little bit of a V. Then we're going to come down. We're going to come over, sweeping over, go back up to the V, go out a little bit and go down. That's going to get colored black. I know it doesn't look like her yet, but wait till you color it in. And then just make a little smile face here. Now the whole inside there gets colored black, right, even down to here. So we're going to color that in. Don't touch that spot we made around her mouth. Okay. Just take your time and color it in. Make sure you get all that black. And then you'll start seeing that she looks like Raven. Just take your time. It's really fun to draw. You can give her different expressions. All of the Teen Titans are fun to draw. You guys like the Teen Titans? I know my son does too. He's 9. And I gotta admit, they get me watching them. Raven's got a bit of an attitude in the cartoon. Okay, color underneath that eye. It's the coloring part that really makes her look like Raven. Okay, don't mind me, I have to go slow because using this marker, it's more of a fine point one, so it takes me a while to color. Okay, see how she's starting to look like Raven now? There we go. We have a picture of Raven. Okay. Now I can make that bigger if I don't like it. I can make this part a little bit bigger, add a little more black if I think I want her to look a little different. If she doesn't quite look like Raven, I'll make this bigger. Sometimes you need a little more black in there. So you could play with it, you know. Doesn't have to be exact. See how I just made that bigger because I didn't like her. I thought it looked too skinny in there. So, okay. Now this part right here underneath, that's yellow on Raven. Well, I guess we can color her in. I wonder if I have purple here. Don't mind me. I'm going to reach in front of see if I can grab one of my son's markers here. Making all my lights flicker. I don't know how good this purple works, but let's color it in. It's another really thin one, but I'm going to color this in. Color with me. You can make yours any color you want, but I'm going with what I have on the table here, which is purple for her cape. Really should get some fat markers for the channel so I can color a lot quicker. But it's fun. Just makes the video longer if you want to watch me color. You guys probably color a lot better than I do. I'm more of a doodle guy. I like to make doodles. I let my kids usually color in my doodles. But if you want to get the idea about the picture and what it's going to look like, the best thing to do is color it in. Some people don't like them colored. They just like to have them black and white. And if you put your colors on and then you don't see the black lines anymore and you like the black lines, just go over them with your Sharpie again, or a nice black marker will do it. Doesn't have to be a Sharpie even. See, and that's the color I'm going to do here. Oh, that light just went off. Oh, now it's on. I must be bumping the cord, shaking it. This marker's a little bit too thin in the point to color with. That's why it's taking forever. Which is just going to make the video a lot longer, but it's making my light shake too. That's why I don't really color in the videos. Just on a small table here, and it makes everything shake. I'll get a better setup as the channel goes on. Yeah, this really isn't doing it. This marker. Probably going to get yelled at for using this thin marker to color with for my kids. I'll get them new ones. What do you think gets them for them anyway, right? Okay, her cape's almost done. Or her cape is done, I mean. I gotta do her hood and hope my lights stay on. How's yours coming? You coloring? And again, if you have any questions for the channel, if you have any requests and you want to do a nice little drawing with me, or you have a favorite cartoon character, put it in the comments down in the description, down below the description there, below the video. And I'll see if I could do it, you know. It's always fun to try new drawings. Most cartoon characters are fairly easy, as you can see. And a lot of them nowadays are really simple. Somebody wanted Captain Underpants, they asked me the other day, so I think we're going to do Captain Underpants. You guys ever hear of him? I'm sure you have. And then you have the more complicated ones like, oh, that light's really bouncing around. You have more complicated ones like Fortnite drawings people want. They want to do some characters from Fortnite. I know that's a popular game right now. We're just going to do all kinds of stuff like that. And I promise I'll get some better markers that I can color this stuff in real fast. And I'm going to secure everything. I just started the channel, so I don't know really how I'm going to set everything up yet. I still want to get my camera set up and anchored so I could do videos every day. And you can expect videos every day from me, which would be fun. Now she's looking like Raven. Okay. I do believe that this part right here is yellow. Right here. Yeah, really sorry about that light. And then I think the part in the middle here, on my arm again, right here, I think that's red. Red or orange, something like that. Don't really have a picture of her right now, so. And there you go. There's our picture of Raven. She's all colored in. Show me yours. See what she came out like. Let me know if you like this video, and let me know what you want me to draw, and we'll start building the channel from there. Make sure to hit the like button. Make sure to subscribe. Let's build the channel together, and I'll get the whole setup going. Make it a lot better. We'll have better light. Nothing will move. I'm just now setting it up. Okay, so let me know if you like videos like this, if you want more, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for stopping by.